Hello everyone, I'm Ramon. Welcome back to Ramon at Home. If you're new to this channel, I'm an interior designer, decorator, and DIY who wants to help you make your home your favorite place on earth. So please consider subscribing. On today's video, we're gonna go on a shopping trip to an Ikea. I'm taking Jameson with me because I really need help deciding the look of the patio. If you guys haven't seen how I decorated my patio for summer last year, I'm gonna put a clip right now. It was very traditional. However, this year, we wanna give it a fresh look and I have some ideas. So why don't we go to Ikea shopping?
Let's go.
Okay, so I'm real excited because we haven't done the patio in a long time, and the last time we did it, we kind of used the same thing. So we're gonna go out looking for a few accessories, pillow covers, perhaps an area rug, and some stools to update the look, to make it a little bit more modern looking, a little bit more transitional looking. For this year's look for the patio, we chose a black and white theme, and we haven't done that ever, and I'm real excited. I really think the black and white, you can combine it with any accent color, and this year we're gonna also change the accent color for the patio, and I cannot wait to show you. So I'm gonna look for a few accessories to place on the coffee table, on my dining table outside. So if you guys wanna see what we buy, stay tuned and let's go shopping. Okay, you guys, so the reason why I'm so excited about getting the patio ready is because we just had Jameson's family stay with us for a few days, and they spent all of the time in the patio, which inspired me to give it a little makeover so we can spend more time out there. So let's see what we can find here at Ikea. Okay, so right off the bat, I see this pillow that I think it would be so cute on the patio. I love the fabric. I think it's very durable. They're super affordable at $12.99, so I'm gonna have to keep this one in mind. What do you guys think? Okay, now this is what I call an updated version of blue and white. It has a little bit more of a pattern, and they only are $2.99. Aren't they cute, you guys? Okay, this is such a cute idea. I love these terracotta pots, and I love the way they put this little fern in it. Look how pretty it looks in multiples. So striking for a patio, for a porch. You guys love it? Okay, you guys, so there's this other kind right here. These guys are very, very affordable, but I'm gonna show you in a DIY how you can make your own little potted plants like this with dollar store items. No need to spend this much money on them. Alright, you guys, so I found this pillow at Ikea, and I love it because it has two patterns, and it also has my yellow accent, which I think is a really cute detail to have this board and the accent color that I'm gonna have. I like the polka dots, and I also like the stripes or the squares here. So I think this is a winner we're gonna go look for, and we're gonna take a few home with us. I absolutely love it. Alright, you guys, so walking around, I found yet another one. This one's only $5.99, and I absolutely love the stripes. I think it would give it a really contemporary feel to the patio with the white cushion. So we're gonna also look for this one, and let's go look for more. Okay, I'm really excited because I just found these really cute cactus accessories. They are 3 different styles of them, and I absolutely love them. The set of 3 are $14.99, so this is also something's gonna come with us. And you love them.
Love it. Oh, I just love these color palette. I love the size of the sofa, of the chairs. I love the textures. It flows. Beautiful. Very chic. Only at Ikea. Look what we happen to find. Goodies.
I absolutely love this, you guys. Okay, so we found this patio chair and ottoman that is made out of wicker. That's absolutely cute, and the set is $99. If you're looking for patio furniture, this is it. Hey you guys, I want to share this bathroom. First of all, this is a whole closet system, and it's super cute, but look at when you walk into the bathroom. It's absolutely adorable. I love the paintings. And I love the tile on the shower. Look at this tile. So cute. Tell us what you think about this rack.
Love, love, love it. Multi-purpose, of course, multiple functions. Yeah, it's great. Any room.
And now Jameson wants to turn the spare room into a closet.
Yes.
I absolutely love the selection of black and white pillows here. Let's get our hands on them. Okay, you guys, so we've arrived at the pillow section, and I absolutely love this one. I think this is gonna have to come with us for the patio. I'm not sure because I also like this stripe over here, and then also this pattern that we already have in the bedroom. So I'm gonna keep looking, so stay tuned and see what we get. Okay, so I figured it out. We have a big chair outside, so I'm gonna go ahead and take 2 of these for the big chair, and then we have 2 of the smaller chairs. I'm gonna take 2 for the small chairs with a white cushion. Then I'm gonna take a few stripe pillows for the table that has 4 chairs. And then also I'm gonna take some of these pattern that we already have around the house for the sofa inside to kind of tie it all together. Let me see what else I can find. I know we're here for summer decor, but I just found the perfect tartan plaid pillow cover here, and it is $9.99. So I think we're gonna also have to take these ones for Christmas. Alright, you guys, as soon as you come up into Ikea, we have this beautiful campaign for the LGBTQ plus community, and it's created All Homes Are Equal, and 100% of the proceeds go to the LGBT homes. So I think we're gonna get a few just to support the cause. They come in 2 different sizes. The large one is $3.99, and the small one's only $1.99. So come into Ikea and support this beautiful cause. All right, so we are done shopping at Ikea. Now we're gonna head over to Hobby Lobby because there's some things that I wanna get there. So let's go over to Hobby Lobby and keep shopping. All right, so we are now at Hobby Lobby, and we are going to, there's Jameson. We're gonna go inside and look for these stools. Unfortunately, I couldn't get some of the things at Ikea, like some pillow covers that I was looking for. So we're gonna look in here too and see what we can find. So stay tuned. I'm looking for some garden stools to go besides the chairs, and I love this industrial looking one. It is really cute. It has some galvanized metal and a really cool wooden top, but it's not quite what I'm looking for. What I'm looking for is more like this right here. I absolutely love the blue one because you guys know I love blue and white, but I'm gonna keep looking, see what else I can find. Okay, you guys are gonna think I'm crazy, but look what they're putting out at Hobby Lobby. Christmas in July, perhaps. What do you got there?
This little guy.
Perfect. This is also a great option. It also has some galvanized metal and some really straight up legs with a wood detail on it. Still not what I'm looking for, so let's keep looking. Fall items are starting to arrive, and I couldn't be more excited, but this is not what I'm here for. All right, so we had so much fun, or at least I had fun. Do you have fun shopping? What was your favorite part?
How organized the store was. You walked in, it was colors, it was organized, it was enjoyable.
Yeah, I agree. I love the way they have it set up where you can just walk through the vignettes and get inspired. Right. It's just the same with these videos. They are for you to be inspired and try to replicate some of the looks, and that was my favorite part, besides the things that we got. So let's show them what we got. Cool. We first, let me pull this right here between us. So we get one of the Pride bags because we gotta support our LGBTQ youth. And then, so we got 4 of these seat cushions for the table outside in the patio. And I got this white because we have some white cushions. They're gonna go with this. It's gonna look really cute for the chair. So show them what's next. Dun, 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 dun. So we got some of the striped pillows that I show you guys. We got 3 of them. because they're going to be for the chairs and also the settee outside. So this is gonna look really cute outside. What else is in there?
Then these guys.
We got 2 more pillows for the big settee, so that's gonna be also fun. And then go ahead. We got also the set of the 3 cactuses that we absolutely love, and that's also gonna go outside. You guys are gonna have to come back for the patio makeover. And then we got some of these coasters because we lay our cups of coffee everywhere and we have no coasters, so these are made out of cork. And I also got some little tags to tag my baskets, so you guys know I love to decorate with baskets. So that's all I got for this. And then we went to Hobby Lobby and we got 2 of these really beautiful stools. They have a really pretty detail right here, and they're made out of this like ceramic. They were really inexpensive, so I got 2 to serve as side tables out on the patio. Are you excited?
I am. I'm excited. Like the weather and everything.
I know. I can't believe how much time we spent with your parents out there.
Exactly.
We basically spent all of the time out on the patio, and we just had so much fun. So that inspired me to redecorate.
I kind of had a feeling too that we would end up in the patio, and it's just nice to see that really happened.
Yeah.
It gave us the inspiration to say, you know what, we need to spend more time out here. Let's put some more energy and creativity.
Yeah. Well, when the weather is so nice like it is here in San Diego, it is inspiring to be outside. So what do you think of all the things that we got?
I like it. At first, I was a little hesitant with the pillows, the cushions, but I thought, you know, it's small things and didn't have to build around that to get to the full idea. It's just part of the creative process. It's great.
I think it's gonna look really good. So if you guys wanna see the patio makeover, come back for our next video. I'm gonna start that process right now, so you guys can come back and check it out. If you wanna see Jamison more here on the channel, leave him a comment down below and let him know that you wanna see him here more often. And then also leave me a comment down below and let me know if I should accent this stripe black and white with yellow like this or green. Green, I think it will look so fresh, so leave me a comment down below. Green. All right, you guys, well, that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share with a friend. And if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. If you haven't seen the makeover for the entryway, you better check that out, or you can watch more videos right now. Thank you. Until next time. Bye.